Welcome to Sudoku SKV. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 2, 2023. 2-star Sudoku. 7th grade. We have 7, 8, 9. The three numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. 8th grade. We already got 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. The 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5, it will come in one of the cells. Column B, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 1, 3 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column G, we have 1, 6, 5, the 3 number can't come the 2 cells, it will come in another 3 cells, we will confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 5th row, on 7th row, we have 9. Column I also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. In 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H, we have 1. 7 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I. 2nd row, column B, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. Column D, column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 1 and 3, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9. Column G, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, column B, we have 6. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 4. 7th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in the cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 2. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.